Hi dear all, it's a mock tabulation of CBSE Class 10 Board Examination Criteria 2021, which is purely based on internal assessments conducted by the school. Due to the increase in number of COVID-19 cases, CBSE had cancelled the board exams for Class 10th, which were to be held from 4th May to 7th June 2021. The results of Class 10 have to be prepared on the basis of an objective criterion developed by the board. Any parent or candidate who is not satisfied with the allocated marks can appear in board examination as and when conditions are conducive to hold the exams. The objective of the policy: developing an unbiased and transparent academic record based on a realistic evaluation of the academic performance of the students, following the four key principles of an evaluation, namely reliability, fairness, flexibility, and validity. In order to ensure the principles, school leaders and teachers should ensure that the evaluation process is clearly understood by all stakeholders. Bifurcation of maximum 100 marks for each subject. As you all know, 100 mark internal assessment for 20 marks and assessment done by the school 80 marks. Internal assessment 20 marks is the type of assessment for subject enrichment 5 marks, multiple assessment 5 marks, average of best of periodic test 1, periodic test 2 and 3 5 marks, portfolio 5 marks, and total 20 marks. If any school has not conducted any of the assessment mentioned above, then they can conduct online assessments such as quizzes, presentations, and portfolios. The last date for uploading of internal assessments marks on CBSE portal is 11th June 2021. External assessment comprises of 80 marks, that is for periodic test or unit test 10 marks, half yearly or midterm examination 30 marks, pre-board examination, that is the model examination conducted by the schools 40 marks, so total 80 marks. In case the school has conducted more than one test or exam within each category, then weightage or average or the best performance in the three tests can be considered. For example, if a school has conducted 3 pre-board exams, then it may decide to take an average of the 3 exams or the best out of the 3 or given weightage to the each mark. If the school has not conducted one or more of the 3 categories mentioned or differences in online or offline mode, then the committee has to decide a criterion and mention the rational document. Constitution of the result committee. It comprises of 8 members. That the chairperson of the committee is the principal of the school, and internal committee 5 teachers, that is 1 teacher each from mathematics department, science department, social science department, and 2 languages who are well aware about the academic performance of the students, and the external committee of 2 teachers, that is from the neighboring schools affiliated to CBSE, who should be teaching class 10. Then rules of constitution of committee. Is Annexure 1. No interchange of teachers as committee members between the schools. Teachers should not be from the same management school or any other relationship which may influence the result. Wards of the committee members should not be appearing from the school. CBSE may also appoint 2 external members in the committee. External teachers will be paid a fixed honorarium of 2,500 per person, and internal committee members will be paid rupees 1,500 per person, which will be remitted directly into the accounts. Proceedings and all decisions should be recorded in rational document and should be kept confidential. For example, if Bethany Central School appoints external committee teachers from Essence schools, then Essence schools will not appoint teachers from Bethany but may appoint from KV or any other school in the neighborhood. Then next is reference year. Every school will have a reference year which has highest overall performance in the previous 3 years board examination. In case data is available only for 2 years, then the best performance out of the 2 years will be taken. And if it is only available for 1 year, then the same will be taken. For the first timers, the board will provide the details for that particular year. For example, for a school, the overall average for 2017-2018 academic year is 85%, and 2018-2019 is 88%, and 2019-2020 is 84%. The reference year will be taken as 2018-2019, that is 88%, which is the highest among these three. CBSE will provide an online details of school-wise reference year marks. Assessment standardization. The overall average marks for the school assessed in 2021 for all the 5 main subjects should not exceed the average marks obtained by the school in the reference year. The subject-wise marks assessed by the school for 2021 should be within a, that is of plus or minus 2 marks obtained by the school in the subject in the reference year. For example, if the average marks obtained in the reference year for mathematics was 82, then the average marks assessed in mathematics for 2020 should be between 80 and 84, that is plus or minus 2. Assessment standardization. If any candidate has not appeared in any assessment, then the school may conduct offline or online or telephonic one-to-one assessment and record evidences. If any candidate with benchmark disability has not appeared in any of the assessment conducted by the school, then the school may consider other activities such as portfolio, presentation, project quiz, oral test, etc. and record evidences. Results of more than 5 subjects. In case a student has offered different subjects other than the 5 major ones, that is like painting, music, etc., or offered more than 5 subjects, then the mean mark of the best 3 subjects out of the maximum allotted marks may be awarded. Finalization and uploading of marks. An online system will check whether the marks allotted by the school are in conformity with the reference year. The school will be able to finalize the marks on the board's portal only if the uploaded school based assessment marks are consistent with the board's policy and directives. In case of any inconsistency, schools will not be able to upload the marks and the committee should revise the marks. Data once uploaded will be final. Recording of evidences and assessment. The evidence towards the performance of the student in the internal test or exams conducted by the school should be documented student wise and maintained in a secure manner, which may be called upon for subsequent verification as per the instructions of the board. Safekeeping of records. All the students' records along with the rational document should be kept in safe custody by the principal of the school for subsequent verification by a team deputed by CBSE. Next is compartment category. In case any student, even after application of grace marks, is unable to meet the qualifying criteria, he or she may fall in essential repeat or compartment category. For such candidates, school shall conduct an objective type compartment exam in offline or online mode based on sample paper and upload marks for final result. Students shall be allowed to continue in class 11 till declaration of the compartment result by CBSE. CBSE support to schools. CBSE support in many ways by webinars. Frequently asked questions will be uploaded on the website. In case of any observations or clarifications, the school may send their queries to their city coordinator. Online details of school-wise reference year marks. Provision to confirm whether the assessment is as per board policy. Grace marks after the final uploading of marks. Information regarding class 11. No policy of verification, photocopy of answer books or revaluation. Students who have opted for mathematics, that is basic, in class 10 are permitted to take mathematics in class 11. Action against non-compliance. CBSE reserves the right to start disaffiliating proceedings, impose financial penalty against the school, not to declare the class 10 result for that school till the time it is not in conformity with the board. Time schedule, as clearly mentioned in the annexure 4. This formation of result committee by school is by 5th May 2021. Provision of subject-wise or school-wise distribution of marks as per previous board exams by CBSE 10th May 2021. Finalization of rational data 10th May 2021. Conduct of assessment, if any, 15th May 2021. Availability of portal for uploading of marks 20th May 2021. Finalization of results by school 25th May 2021. Checking and moderation of marks by school 28th May 2021. Submission of marks to CBSE by 5th June 2021. Submission of internal assessments mark out of 20 Last date by 11th June 2021. Declaration of results by CBSE on 20th June 2021. Important annexures. Annexure 1, rules for constitution of committee, their roles and responsibility. Annexure 2, rational document. Annexure 3, illustrative examples for internal moderation of marks. And Annexure 4, time schedule. And thank you all for watching. For more details, please visit CBSE official website. And for more such informative and educational tech videos, subscribe to YouTube channel Filson B. Rajan. Thank you all.